mute the YouTube. Okay, we should be live. Are we?
We're live?
Should be.
I don't know yet. Let's see. There is the delays there.
And we are live, I think. Well, welcome, Stefan. Welcome everybody. We are still laughing. This wasn't scripted at all, to be honest. Welcome, welcome everyone.
It's so funny.
Yeah, please tell us if you can hear both of us well. How are you, Stefan?
Sorry, can you repeat that?
How are you, Stefan? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I'm fine, actually. Had a pretty good space yesterday, and today another great live stream with you. So I'm happy.
And I
what about you?
I'm great, thanks. I feel free. I did a super great live stream yesterday. I feel thrilled. I got so many ideas now, but I hear something different. Do you have a different microphone?
I have the Blue Yeti microphone now too, and a new camera. So hopefully people see improvement.
Great. Let me check the chat. I see Mark, Stefan Natter, which is you, Computerist. And Paolo. Hi. I can hear coming through live and right. We can hear you both. Perfect. Thank you so much. We keep saying this because we don't want to just talk in the void. Welcome. But I see that your camera is great, Stefan. So
thank you.
Let's see if this works. This works. So we can do this later. Let me repeat what we usually do in these live streams because we are getting more people. So usually we do 1 hour of live stream. 5 minutes to set up, just say something stupid, and then but it's me, not you, Stefan. Then we talk about the goal, about the goal of the live stream, which is something very simple, but usually. Then we try to do this. We usually manage to do this, and and usually during the live stream, someone of us is typing, the other one is checking the chat. Hopefully, so if you have any questions about the project, or if you want something specific, so for example, what we are doing now is something that has been suggested in the last live stream, so which is to add Typescript into our project. So this is the goal. Let me switch. And I have this. This is a pattern that I use in my live stream. It's a super powerful tool. Its name is Notepad. And
the animation and the effects.
Check this.
Honestly, amazing.
And I'm not scrolling.
Check what you can do. You can, zoom in, zoom out. That's, where do you get that?
And I have the pro version. So today we'll add we'll try to add the TypeScript. Say that a TypeScript because we have set up a basic Node application here, which was in JavaScript. So today we'll try. I don't know if we can try with a script or just renaming the files with TS. Stefan will do this. Today I'll just stare at the chat. No, I'm joking. But I'm really interested to that because, for example, I've never done this. Do you have already done this?
Yes.
Okay, so you are ahead of me. Let's see if we have some. Everyone.
Paolo is curious how to get the Notepad subscription.
I made with them. I will make some videos about Notepad, and I have the Notepad Pro version for free. You told me you wrote Bill an email saying that you want the Notepad Pro, and he sent you a CD, a CD with the old version. Exactly. That's
how it works.
And I see people are still talking about the space. So this has been great. I have been there for some time, not all the time, but I've seen that this has been kind of successful. A lot of people. I don't know which is the maximum of the people that you can get. But
yeah, Twitter said it should be kind of unlimited. So I was in a Twitter space of Twitter with over 2,000 people. So there is I don't know what's the max. So
yeah, and today before joining this, I've seen a very great article about Twitter Spaces. If I find this again, I'll try to share it also on Twitter, because I've seen an article about what's going on, what will come, when. So great. So. This is great. Yeah. So if we are
coding and caffeine,
coding and caffeine. Yeah, I've seen coding and caffeine. I've seen that you have done a video about Docker. This attracts me like a mosquito. Angular and Docker. So I'll check this after the live stream. So stay tuned.
You know when you say something like that, people can just put the Docker sign somewhere. Anywhere in the world, and they know that Francesco will appear.
Yeah, it's so dangerous. It's dangerous for me because it attracts me so much. Yeah, perfect.
That's awesome.
So Stefan, let's see what's going on here. Yeah, if you want a recap, please type into the chat. Otherwise, this time we will not do this. But basically, we are creating a node application with Docker and other services. So let me just show the Docker Compose.
Yeah.
Here. So, also tell me if you want a bigger font or if this is looks fine.
No, I think you can decrease by
one.
Level.
It will be better for me.
Yeah. I think it is better.
Thank you. Yeah, but tell me. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. And I also like your camera, Coding Caffeine. Okay, so we will work on this one. So basically, the other time let's say that we have failed because it was version 1, but we have not done the images. So I've been too much optimistic. Let's say this. Today I would like to create new Docker images. I don't know if you want to call them 1 or 0.9 because maybe the goal was to reach version 1 when we have actually something in our DB. But we have done this, yes.
Yeah.
So Stefan, I've already tried this. Tell me if you want maybe do we want to first of all to check if everything is working, or are you? Do you think we can just start?
So before we start, I think a good thing would be that you start the services, and then we make one request with Postman just to make sure everything works.
Yeah,
and then we go right into creating a TypeScript.
Perfect. And now I switched to the code because I was just talking. So sorry, I was not sure the Dagger Compose, but okay. Let's see if we have Mark. Yeah, I need to back up to the video. Stefan, I forgot this. Bruno. Yeah.
Which one?
Great. Your interview with Mark. Yeah.
Oh yeah. It was fantastic.
And you talked about me.
So
yeah. Spaghetti container.
I'm sure we talked about you. Yeah.
Okay.
And you need to watch the video to see.
I know.
If this is true.
I know. Okay. Perfect. Camera game is fantastic. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh yeah, his camera is really good, Mark. I'm trying to get
What do you think?
Don't lose track. Yeah, Mark said your camera is fantastic. It is.
Wow.
Oh man, I hope you can hear my cat.
Compose up. Yeah. Mark. The strange thing is that when I don't think about something specific, it's better. I don't know why. Okay.
Okay, so the app is now running. You need to open Postman.
Postman.
I don't know. Postman? Oh no. Yes, we're not gonna do this. Pronounce it like
Insomnia.
Because Mark did that. But right, Mark?
Coding and Caffeine is suggesting another tool. I don't know if you know that, Insomnia. I don't know that.
Oh yeah, Insomnia. I tried Insomnia. It's really good. It's
better than Postman.
The thing I like more about Postman is that you can have the workspaces and the folders where you can group requests together. So I'm not sure if Insomnia has that feature.
I don't know. Okay, so if I do this, perfect. We need to change this, I think.
Can you try the Twitter request too?
Which was
I think
this
it was
one.
Was it tweet / I don't know.
This one.
Yeah, and then a username behind the.
I forget. This. Which one?
Should be.
This. No, I can't find this. No, because I think this was automatic inside the code.
Was it?
Let me check.
Let me see. It's in the.
We have here. We need to change this. Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But that's the URL. Can you test that one?
But okay, this is the put. This is the get.
Yeah.
So let's try the get.
So
Yeah. This is your retweet. Your
yes,
retweet.
that's my retweet.
Yeah, this is me. Yeah, this is wonderful that we can create something about Twitter, and then we test this live. Yeah.
Of course. Man, we have 14 people here. Hey, thanks for joining.
Yeah. We have. Yeah. Okay.
That's
Welcome,
fantastic. Okay.
Mohammed. Yeah. Okay. So, Stefan, this seems that it's working. I don't know if, let's not use Grafana for now. Just let's try. So, show me, because I've never done this. I've seen one post of Chris Kalmar, which was basically a script to do maybe what we are doing now, which should be renaming all JS files to TS, and maybe add a tsconfig.json. And add the TS into the package.json, I think.
Yeah. I know that he suggested a tool. I forgot the name actually.
Well,
but
we don't have so many files, so I think we can.
No, yeah, and I would say we do this one by one, just to show how it works. Because everyone can do it with the CLI, but we're gonna do it, step by step and show how it's done.
Okay.
Don't find Yeah, the chat is really,
The chat is going crazy. Okay, yeah, I'm so happy about this. Thank you.
Yeah, me too. Okay, can you stop the service and install Typescript and TS Node? Because
okay, so with was we using Yarn or npm?
We were using
Yarn.
So it's Yarn
add
TypeScript. And you can add it as a def dependency, so we
TypeScript
don't need it
like this.
And TS minus node. Yes,
like
exactly.
This,
and as a add it as a.
Let's see. I see people. The chat is alive today. Yeah, I see some people.
It's pretty good.
Thank you, Mark. For stepping by. I need to watch the tomorrow on Monday. He
has one with Simon.
The one with Simon. So he got him. Yeah.
And by the way, if Simon is watching, congrats. That's a pretty big step. I wish you all the best, my friend.
Yeah, and this is the best way to get likes on Twitter. So
Yeah. You've done it first, and he decided to go next.
Yeah. Let me share the. Okay, yeah, this is the link of the Mark Bega's YouTube channel. He has reached 500 subscribers, and he has already 509. Congratulations, Mark. Okay.
And I must post mine to that.
To be honest, Mohammed, it's Stefan suggested the Yarn and not me. Because he's more advanced than me.
No, I'm not, but I like that more.
Okay, so now we have this tsconfig. Yeah, go, Stefan. Okay.
Yes.
Let's be focused at 10 minutes. Okay, go.
Okay, focus for 10 minutes. Okay, that's right. So I created a new file, tsconfig.json. This is the file we're gonna use to configure TypeScript. So in this case, our compiler options, and what I've added here, I copy pasted it from another project, is that this is our target. So this can be anything from ES 5, ES 2016, whatever. So whatever you're gonna prefer as the target version. So we need Configjs to let Node run this on the server. The root directory
Okay, which is this one.
This is important for when you do imports, and then we have a build directory, and we're gonna allow what's the ES module into yeah, that's when that has something to do with
but VS Code is helping us because it says something here. Bubble ecosystem compatibility. Yeah, enabling request times version 2.7 or later. Okay, strict is true.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, and one thing we do for now is we allow JavaScript because we're gonna do this, gradually step by step. And we need to tell. We need to tell TypeScript that this allows.
Yeah, I see there is an error, but maybe it's just the linter, which is wrong.
Yeah, no, it's because of we missed the include part, I think. No inputs were for. Oh no, that's because there is no TypeScript file yet. So let's see. We're gonna get that later. So when you open the index.js file, yes. First I'm gonna rename it to Can I do that here? Oh yeah, I can do that to TS.
Can you do this?
No, I can't.
You can't.
No, I can't. Can you rename it, please? Looks like I can't rename it.
That's.
It's amazing. We have so many. Yeah,
that's not true, Stefan. You just want me to rename them all. Be honest. Okay, so. Sure. So, but I think now we should need to add the .ts. No, maybe we don't need that with Node. Yeah.
Which one? Sorry.
No, I mean, do we need to add the .ts in the requires? Do you think, or not?
No. Let me check. No, we don't need that. Okay. So when let's see. Where is not everything should be typed already.
Okay, so basically we have this.
Oh, I'm still in the old file here. Yeah, so you see now that some of the variables we use, when you go to line 17, for instance, it says that request is declared but it's never read, and request implicitly hasn't any
Let me see. Yeah, it's complaining about.
Yes.
Yeah, implicitly. Yeah. No, never read.
So you see it already works because TypeScript is now complaining that these files or these variables.
So this is great. So we are already the TS linter inside.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
So
what we can do. So before we fix that, let's see if the app still runs. So
it should run because it should generate
let's see if we have. I'm not sure if we have a start script. Let's see.
Are you adding the
TS actually?
Maybe we need to compile this one. Huh?
Yeah, that's why we have TS node. So TS node is able to run the files because it does the compiling while it starts the app. So when you run yarn start now, the app should still run, at least locally on your machine.
Okay, but just let me check in the Docker file. In the Docker file we are doing this now. Is this correct? No.
No, we need to change that too. So, but let's see first if it runs locally, and then we're gonna fix the Docker.
I don't know if we could get an error because here we are trying to synchronize with the with external container. Here, you see here. When do you do the Sequelize? We use this.
Then
we have this one.
Then let's fix it. Immediately. So what we can do now is, can you run when you go to, or wait a second, we need the build script. So in order to create the project, we need the build script because for all the viewers, TypeScript is nice in the editor, but it does not run out of the box on a server without compiling it back to JavaScript or using TS Node or something like that. So when you open the package JSON, please.
I can do whatever you want, Stefan. Anything for you.
So we're gonna add a build script. So what we say, we're gonna use the TypeScript compiler -- project because what is the project about? Yeah, it tells the tsconfig project settings and
yeah, exactly.
So when you now run, let's see, I think we need to add source index ts. Let me see. Let me see if that's
this one source. So okay? So you want to build the index.ts?
Yeah, and it's gonna run through all the files that we imported and should update it. Let's see if that works.
But what about the Docker file? We should change this one.
Yeah, but let try this first. I just want to see if it builds, and then
what do you want to what do you want to do?
Just
the build?
run yarn build. Yes, exactly.
Yeah, just yarn build. But do I have
just
yarn
build
here?
First.
Okay, we have a lot of errors.
Oh yeah, we now get some types of errors because we have not fixed all errors. Okay, so then let's go first through all the files and fix the TypeScript issues. Let's do it first.
Okay, so which one?
Yeah, let's start from the top. Let's open the controller.
But it has generated that index.js, by the way, yeah?
Oh, no, that was me by accident. You can delete that file because I was in the old file still.
Perfect.
All right.
Perfect. Okay, so which file? Database?
Let's start with that one. Let's see.
Database is the file that we use to configure our Docker container for the DB. And for example, he is complaining because we don't have. I don't know the type of this variable. I don't know if Sequelize has this. I've never used the Sequelize with TypeScript, so I don't know if we should add any, or we have a specific type for Sequelize.
Yeah, so what we can do in this case, when a package comes without types, there is definitely typed. That's a huge repository that contains types on top of other packages. So what you can do now is you can run yarn add types. So it's add the add symbol.
This one,
slash Sequelize. That's usually the pattern how you can install missing types in your package.
Okay, let's try.
Usually there is a package available.
Let's see. We should have this. But how can we see if we have this available?
When you install, no, you don't need to do that. Actually, we need to close and open the file again so that TypeScript kind of refreshes its knowledge about that you installed this type. But oh no, sometimes, and I'm afraid we probably need to do that. Sometimes we need to restart VS Code entirely to get this working. But then it's gonna kick me.
Yeah, let's do the easy way. Maybe we're adding, I don't know, any or something like that, or maybe we can try to reload this after. What do you think about this? Or do you want to or do you want to do the reload now? Tell me.
Nah, let me check. So you install synchronize.
Because it should appear here, right?
Yes.
No, I know. Okay. So if I do this, for example, if I go here on the index, no, I don't have here. Okay. So if we do this,
oh no! Wait a sec. What the error that cannot really declare block scopes variable Sequelize.
Okay.
Let me check.
Do you want to change?
The error was something else.
because maybe we are using the same name. I don't know.
Yes, exactly.
Because Sequelize is the name of the
complaining
package.
that's the name.
Because Sequelize is the name of also the package here. Maybe.
Yeah, so it was complaining about that. Okay, so let's go to the next file.
Yeah, we have plenty. So okay, so let's through. Yeah. Thank you, Coding and Cafe, because he's doing a TypeScript crash courses in the chat. So, so about routes. Routes or, or routes, because it's American or English style. Which one do you prefer?
Usually I say routes. I think I say routes.
I say routes because I've watched so many tutorials with Maximilian Schwarzmüller. He always says routes, so now I say routes. So I blame him.
Routes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so there is looks like there is nothing to do here.
Yeah. Okay.
At least for now. Let's see where we get to when we have transformed all the files.
Wow. Okay, here is complaining about the router block scoped variable. Routers was also declared here. Okay. So this is something not related to Sequelize. No.
Nope. Give me a sec. What is that error about? Cannot really clear block scope. What's that? Regarding the issue,
if you want to reload this code, we can do this once, but I don't know if we will. Oh no, sorry. I don't know if we will solve the problem in this way. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah.
Phase pasta cooking. Yeah, that was I remember.
I'm waiting for the cafe. My DMs are open. I'm still waiting a message from you, but you have not written to me. So Stefan, I don't know how to help you here.
What's the issues about that? Actually, I must Google that. What's that error about?
Okay.
To be honest. So keep renaming the files while I take a look.
Yeah. Okay.
What's the issue with that?
But we are importing the files. Maybe it's because we are importing the same files. I don't know. What about the copy file.js? Do we need to rename that as well?
Oh, I think what's the sorry, no, we don't need that, because as I said, Node cannot handle TypeScript. TypeScript files out of the box. That's why we, so router. So when you go back to the file we had just opened, the tweets, I'm gonna shortly explain what's the issue here.
Well, sorry, Stefan. Copyfile.js. Do you have to name that one? Huh? .es?
No. Okay. That can that can be JS. That's fine.
Okay. I'm trying to bring Maximilian Schwarzmüller on my channel, but still no luck. Still no luck. Okay.
I wish you all the best that this works.
I'm trying.
So when you go back to the file we had open,
which one?
Which one was it? Database. So I'm gonna explain what happens. So actually it's a TypeScript feature that's complaining here, because in the previous version we used module exports here, but in TypeScript or with TypeScript we don't need to do module export. So we just say export default. That's gonna resolve the issue for us.
Exactly. Nice. Oh, sorry.
I like that. That's like a gong,
we can. Let me try. Okay, this could be an effect. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna rewrite all the default export here. So while you're keeping people entertained in the chat, because I see there's a lot going on.
I see a lot of people. I know he's busy. Usually he answers on Twitter, but on direct messages he never replies. So so basically I still didn't even got a no. So there is still hope. Yeah. Like Aragorn says, there is always hope. Okay.
So let me see if we fixed everything. No, we did not. There are still some. I'm just going through the files and find all the default, the export things that are not working.
Nice.
Let me see. What's that? Why can't I do a search here? Oh, I can. No, I
You
can't.
can't, but maybe because this the. Tell me if you
yeah,
need Yeah, I can do this. What do you need? The export on the here, and model export default.
I think I
we
fixed
should
all
be done. We have this still this record as and the next error. We have something here, but it is related to TypeScript. This one.
Yeah.
Maybe we should do some default export. We don't have the model.export here because we have the exports on the single line. Okay, Stefan. So where can we? Okay, the error in index.ts has gone.
Yeah, because I added an export at the bottom. But actually, this is a kind of new issue. Any which contains the import.
Okay.
No, okay. Wait, I know.
We got.
I know what's this about. Who's here? Yeah, Brad. Yeah, you should get Brad on the channel too. Actually.
I'm working on this too. I work every day to do that. Please help me.
Yeah, please. Let's help Francesco. Oh no, I did something wrong. What was wrong here? So that you know what's happening. If you go on top to the index.ts file,
yeah,
you see me renaming the imports.
Okay.
Because TypeScript is also complaining that we used the old require syntax instead of the import. So that's actually why it also complains.
Yeah, and also I think here we have what someone was saying the other time, that maybe we don't need body parser, but now we are using TypeScript. You remember this one? Maybe still working is deprecated. This should work, but I don't even know if we need this, to be honest. Okay.
I know too. Okay, so now that we have transferred all the files into TypeScript, let's call it like this. Let's see what happens now when you run yarn build. So before we fix the Docker file, let's see what happens again when we do yarn
build. Okay, we have some errors. Let me check. The error is because I think we have in the controllers we have still the request next. We have some errors in the controllers.
Oh yeah, then let's. Oh yeah, you need to. Sorry, forgot that. You need to add yarn, add types express. So express is
nice.
also.
Good.
We need the.
Nice. I really got that. Express, mamma.
Express JSON, same for URL encode. Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Thank you. You already told this. Yeah, but I think I don't know if this is specific for TypeScript or even on JavaScript. I don't know. Import. Yeah. Okay, but we still have the problem here.
Which one?
No, I mean we have added the types, but now how can we add the types on this rec and res?
In which file are you in the dev?
This one file should be something like
now
that.
I let you type. So how are you gonna do?
So read the chat meanwhile. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna read the chat. In TypeScript, yeah, exactly. That's what we had to do.
Sorry,
rewrite it.
Sorry, Stefan. The next which type has request?
There is a next handler. Is it next handler? Let me see. I think it's next. Is it next request or next? Actually, there's a good way to check that. when you go to the index.ts
Next
file,
function, maybe next
tip.
function.
Yeah, it's next function. But let me show you something. Open index.ts.
I don't know if this is correct. Index.ts.
Yes, and go to app use in line 17 for
next
instance.
function.
Yeah, and now yes, exactly. So when you hover over it and TypeScript is able to infer the type, you just copy and paste the type from the.
Okay, here is complaining. Why?
Let me check that. Let's see. Why is it complaining?
While I do the stupid stuff. Meanwhile.
Oh, again, because we have the exports dot something. So again,
it's not that easy. Yeah, this go.
It's a little.
Yeah, I remember that before the live stream we said, okay, what can we do next? Maybe this will be too fast, but never. Oh, tab 9 here played. Yeah, changed everything. Great.
Yeah, exactly. So I rewrote the exports too now.
Okay,
so this should work better
we
now.
should still have error on this. Okay, maybe this should have a type.
The expression is not.
No, but what do we have? What do we have? Two next function. Oh no, this is wrong. Let's see here. Type number. But why? Res.status. It doesn't like this one. But why? Res.
I changed it. So the reason why it was not working is that the response that we used previously was from Node. So it was the response type that comes with Node. But as we use Express, we need to use the type that comes with Express. So I imported it on top of the file when you go there.
Perfect. Okay, and here. no, okay, it's gone.
Yeah, it complained because package.json was not. We did not expose it actually.
No, but now the error is gone. But
yeah.
Okay. So this was the easy one.
Yeah, can you run yarn build again?
I can do.
Let's see if there are still errors, and then we go file by file.
I can do everything for you. So. Yarn build error. We have
then
still
let's go
errors.
to
the users. This.
Oh yeah, we need to do the same thing here.
Wait a second. If we do no. Wait. But no, I think we still need request, response, next function. Sorry for this. This will be a super boring stream.
Yeah.
But we should also we could create maybe an interface with TypeScript for this one.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do actually after as the next step. Yeah,
okay.
We're gonna let's make it work, and after we make it work, we're gonna make sure it runs again.
Cool. Okay. Then do we maybe have this one? We have the same problem than before. So
yeah, we need to import the same file.
Response.
Exactly.
Perfect.
So we're getting there. We're getting closer. So actually, we should talk about why we do this a little bit. What we love about TypeScript, so that people know why we're doing this.
Yeah.
So do you want to go first, or should I start?
You.
Okay. So one thing I like a lot about TypeScript is that, as you see, or you will see later, once we have refactored everything, that it helps me being aware of the types a certain function requires, or the properties React component wants me to give to them, and especially in bigger apps, it supports me doing refactoring a lot, because when I change the type in one file, let's say a string becomes a number for whatever reason, I get all the errors, all the places in my app where I need to update accordingly just by changing the type in an interface. And another thing is that TypeScript, because TypeScript knows the type behind the function, behind the class and everything, it helps me by suggesting what the module exports, for instance. So without ever reading the docs, I can just, you know, press dot and then is it command command space, I think, and then you get all the list, get a list of all the things that's possible. As the name suggests,
it adds the types, the type to JavaScript, which is basically what we need, because it is auto completion. When we send JSONs in HTTP requests, it's good to have them wrapped into an interface or class. For sure. We still have an error here. I don't know why. Get all.
In which file are you?
I am into the controller tweets. Oh, no. Okay, it's gone. Okay. So tweets users. We're almost there, I think.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Model should be okay. I think we should have just some. Oh no, we have still here in the tweets. Why?
Oh yeah, we haven't started doing the tweets, right?
Response? No. What's happened here? No. Next function. Function request response as function. Perfect. It's better to refactor into the rather than alone.
Yeah.
Especially if I have a person so friendly and nice as you, Stefan. Okay.
Oh man, when I post a link, there is no actual link. It's just a text. Too bad.
Yeah, because you have no power, I think. In my live stream.
I need to get the power.
I think that if I made you moderator, you can do this. We can try maybe later.
Oh yeah, let's try it next time.
I don't know.
Okay. So let's run build again. Let's see where we are going to.
Yarn build. Let's see if we get a different. We have the error here. Yeah, on the L and also on the delete one. Users.
Okay, let's see, we're getting closer.
We have this error here in map. We should add any maybe. Or why we have this error in the delete one? I should not have this here, but I have saved it. Yeah. Okay, controller says your test. Okay, so okay.
Which
because no, delete one. No, we have this one. No, I'd say let's change this one, the L, which is. Can we add any for now? Or
yeah, sure. I mean,
we'll change it later. yeah, of course. He doesn't like that one. This one. Because maybe for the syntax we need maybe to do this. Yeah. Okay. No. Router. In the router. In the routes. Let's see. We have this from import controller, export default, and users. Bye, Mark. Thank you for stepping by.
Bye, Mark.
Bye, Mark.
See ya.
Okay.
Hope to see you soon.
So routes des.ts. It's complaining. Why it's
which we're in the devs there? Okay.
Cannot find the name C. What's going on? Okay. It says as no default export import controller from controllers.dev. Maybe I need to add .ts. or not?
No, actually it should not. You're in the devs routes, but there is no error, right?
No, can you see at the bottom? Import controller from controller /dev, and it's.
Can you run it again?
Yeah.
Please.
Oh no. Ah, now it worked. Okay. Oh no, wait. Wait a second. It wasn't saved. Okay. Okay. So in the build file,
so
if you want to explain,
exactly.
Stefan, or I can as well.
Yeah. So finally we're at the
happened?
stage that the TypeScript built all the files and that everything works. And when you look at the folders, yeah, exactly. In the build folder, we got the JavaScript files again. So we are at the same point.
Yeah, they are kind of different, but okay.
Yeah, they're different because TypeScript has compiled them back to CommonJS already for us.
Yeah.
So the next thing now is fixing the Docker Compose, the Docker file that this is also working in the Docker world.
Okay.
So when you open the file,
so if this file is open, so
yes. So what we do now is we need to build the app first before we
should do a run yarn builder, I think.
Exactly, and the app is now in a different place.
Yeah. So we should add /build rsc, but no, we need to start from the path of the Docker Compose or the working dir. So
I think it's the working dir, yeah.
Yeah, which is up. So it should be, let's see, something like this.
Oh yeah, but this should be the second second argument.
Of course.
Right?
Because it's no, yeah. So
there's one here.
Okay.
Let's see.
Inside the build without the index.js, so it should be.
It should work. Because as you remember, when you go to the package.json file, there is a main property. And the main property already, points to the file that's gonna run there.
Okay.
So yeah, let's see.
Okay, let's see. Docker compose app --build. Let me change the version so we can push a different one when we are done.
Yes.
So I don't think that they changed, to be honest. But okay, yeah.
By the way, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Francesco's channel and feel free to click on my avatar and also subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
Just want to take a break
here. Let me... Stefan, just one thing before we build, but have you put your default, your custom channel name? Because I can't...
Yeah, actually, I have one.
I can't tag you.
Yeah, but if you I pasted in the URL now also again in the chat. You see, I have a custom name there, but I don't know where else to
Okay, let's try.
Yeah, let's try. Okay,
so this live stream is over. Thank you so much for joining. Let's see. Yeah, because it's working for now.
Thanks for coming by to say hi.
Yeah, think about it. Like if you build, you end up your live stream.
Yeah,
perfect.
That would be really interesting to do a live stream and when people see the final result, before they see the result, you can make a cut. And only in the next live stream you're gonna reveal the results.
Perfect. By the way,
that's like a cliffhanger, like in series.
Exactly. So here we have a problem. We probably have a problem because it says cannot find ts_config.json.
Oh yes, yeah. So let's go back into our copy files. So what we forgot is we forgot to copy the new ts_config.json file.
Because we were not copying everything. Because right. Because we are copying, but we are doing the. Wait a second, because
this
we should have.
Oh no, it's not.
No,
It should
no.
be source.
This is okay.
Isn't it?
Because I think we are already copying the tsconf.json. Because maybe it's trying to do this command inside the app. It should be the right one. But maybe we should also add the build to the Dagger Ignore, maybe also.
Yeah.
But
Let's
we are-
add a Dagger Ignore after.
But we don't do this because we are copying just the dot source. So this is an option.
Yeah.
This is an option. Okay. So
Let's try it again.
and it's pretty
Moment of
fast.
truth.
It's pretty fast. We have 10 minutes left. So
Yeah. So feel free to ask questions. We still got
Yeah.
6 viewers here. So shoot any message.
yeah, but you can do this at any time. Yeah.
Yeah. Actually.
But it's working. No, I should not say this.
Every time you say that,
Okay.
database systems very.
Canada says new type of router use requires a middleware functions, but got get type requirement, but got an object.
Where is this error coming from? Let me see.
So it's about why new type error
Router use requires a middleware function, but got a. That's interesting.
Più get type plus get type. But if I do inside the index.js. So when do you we have router.use? We should have this. No, it's the use of the. The uses should be here.
Oh wait.
But why don't we have the? Maybe we need to add
actually,
request response
way,
here. No.
By the way, when you hover over line 13 and 14, you see now that the body parse is deprecated. I know we got the feedback already, but with TypeScript, you also see when something is deprecated.
Yeah. This is good, but I don't think this is the problem for now.
No. I was just
because
I just saw that. So the problem is somewhere in
here.
our routing system. So how we export
it's
the routes.
let's see. Maybe it's a different routes, devs, use strict input default, exports default. Let's see.
That's funny. I think we need to go back.
From which one?
I think we need to go back to module.exports, really?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I just checked some of the issues on Stack Overflow, and everybody was mentioning that router needs to be module, or we need to export it with module export.
But I've done Node with TypeScript, not TypeScript other times.
Yeah,
but,
me too. It's funny today.
Maybe
Today's errors are interesting.
Maybe you want to do it this way.
Yeah, can you run it again?
I don't know. Maybe we need a different file because no. Docker composato.
Oh, I think probably. Hey,
Definite.
I think one of the problems could be that we're actually using import now and not require.
I don't know if this is a problem. Sorry, I don't know if this is a problem with the version of Node that we are using now.
Let's see.
Oh, it seems that it's working now.
Now it's running.
Why? Why? Yeah, but why? I don't know.
Yeah, I changed the exports in the router file actually.
Okay, so let's see. Yeah, so if this is working, okay, so this is working. So let's say that maybe we will got a C and not an A, but maybe we have, yeah, at least now.
Oh, we did it, 5 minutes.
Yeah, at least we have with TypeScript, let's say this. What can you do in 5 minutes, Stefan? I'd say, yeah, maybe create.
Questions.
You can answer questions, and also I'd say let's create a new Docker image. And other things that we could do, I don't know.
Oh, we could. You said we could create an interface. So what do we just to show the power of this, but I'm not sure where to put the interface yet because everything we have is typed.
I don't know because we already have models, so we can try.
Yeah, they are typed. Yeah, but they're typed thanks to Sequelize. And everything else is just a root that returns a string or a JSON, and even they are. They are.
Yeah, they are types. I don't know if
they're typed too.
Want to do this now. We can add this. Maybe add an interface folder. I don't know if you want to try this. If you want, let's see. Because where are we using this one? Or maybe it's better. Maybe Stefan. Maybe it's better to. I'd say if you agree to do this the next time, because at the moment we don't have really a great tweet model, so this could be something that we could do the next time, if you agree with me. But okay, let's write this on the next things to do. Maybe we can add the. Let's do this. We can add in the README. So we have done something. We have done something of this one. Yeah, we have said this to don't do this integration API. So let's update this one, this to do. Okay.
Yes.
This is for the next time. Okay. So and you can also suggest things that you would like to see.
Yeah.
So
I'm just looking at the.
Okay. So I'll say add interface for tweet model. Choose model. Okay, and
hey Rob, awesome that you're here.
Rob is really amazing.
Yeah,
okay,
I've seen it also in.
It's incredible. Okay, so choose the model. Then, as other things that are really hurting my eyes is the change the encoded part here. This is really it's really hurting my eyes.
Yeah, sure.
So
I mean, it's not hurting my eyes, but I understand the pain.
Yeah, but this is only because you are Natter Stefan, so it's not hurting you. So change the encoded parts. So I'd say so we can add something. Something else, what could be? We could add the Dagger Ignore, I don't know.
The no daemon part. So currently we need to restart everything all the time. And we said we're gonna change that.
Yeah, so add no daemon with Docker. I'll take care of this part. And something else, I don't know. But for now,
yeah, I mean, the next thing would then be to actually import tweets from or with Simon's Twitter client, because currently we're still looking at the setup things. I mean, this is live stream 8 with around 1 hour, so we have still some stuff to do, and
but I'd say to import tweets as the first thing before choosing the model, or not?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
So import tweets, choose the model, change their coded parts, add the node mod. So we have still stuff to do. Yeah, before the 10th live stream, we need to change this, and then we can say version 1. Okay, for real. So sorry that one was too much optimistic maybe. Okay, so do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
So Docker push. Let me show this because this is always good to show. If I go on Docker Hub.
Oh yeah, you can show how we've done that so far. Yeah, because he asked me which one I enjoy the most.
What's happening here?
So yeah, the last movie was, you know, good one, but obviously
no spoilers.
You know what I'm talking about.
Okay. Okay, so here we have 001 and 002. Okay,
yes.
so if now I do docker compose push, it should push this version 3, which is already built. This is one of my favorite commands on Docker because I don't need to push exactly the image, but it's the one defined in Docker Compose.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
And of course, this will be a little bit slow because, but I think in the meanwhile, we can maybe commit.
Yeah, because last time we forgot it. So this
can
time
can you stay 5 more minutes, Stefan?
Yeah, sure.
Otherwise, I would force you to do this. By the way, Stefan, we should also put the old live streams because I should send you some the other lives. I'd like to maybe I'd like to create a whole playlist with your video. So you're taking a big part in my heart, Stefan. Yeah.
Ditto. Thank you very much.
yeah, great. So we need to wait just a moment. Okay, but this is okay. We can leave it like this for now.
Yeah, sure. I mean, you have committed and pushed to at least GitHub, right? I mean, this is, you know.
Yeah, let's do this. Maybe it should. Okay. So let's see. Git status.
Yeah, Rob, I can totally understand that Tor is a fascinating character. But yeah, Rocket Raccoon is definitely also very funny. I mean, even though Thanos was the bad guy, he's also a great character actually. So when you think about it, is also a great one. Just not the one that people like because of obvious reasons, but great character nevertheless.
Perfect. I think I also pushed on GitHub. Let's see if it's working.
Awesome.
Do we have the Git? We don't have the GitHub repository.
No.
No, I forgot to add. But it should be already working. Let's see here.
I mean, you can open it on GitHub, so people.
Okay, we have the version 3.
A few seconds ago. That's cool. And we see the social data dashboard there.
Dashboard, insights, and I missed that. Yeah, add the TypeScript.
Today.
Perfect. So, Stefan, perfect. Just let me add the link.
Yes.
Before I forget.
Oh this. Yeah. Make also sure you put it into your Notepad Premium Product Pro version.
Yeah. Of course, I'll do this. Not a repository. Repo for friends. Okay,
oh, that's a good one.
So I forgot.
Where did you put it?
In the description of the video. This one.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. So let me put the interview. Okay. Here we go. Stefan, it's always a pleasure to do this live stream with you. So basically, it's incredible because it's just 1 day of work. So if we were working in the same office, this should be the end of our first day. So it's amazing what we did in just 1 day.
Yeah. Then now let's have a beer.
Yeah, exactly.
After 8 hours.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's have a after work beer.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah.
It was funny as always. Thank you all for watching. we had fantastic discussions in the chat, actually. So I was always glancing at the chat.
Yeah,
because
and I also think that this could be useful for people that maybe they would like to switch from JavaScript to TypeScript, because we had some problem, but this is good for people that maybe they want to do exactly the same thing. Because, for example, also in our case, let's say this, that we have started just because we had other things to do. I don't know, maybe this is not the best approach, but we had things about the connection to the DB, the Grafana part, the Sequelize part, and basically because I've worked more with JavaScript in backend rather than TypeScript, so we have decided to start it like this. But now we have also TypeScript in our let me show. So we have basically now 4 services with TypeScript, the Postgres DB, the Grafana part, which maybe we could take care, maybe. I think maybe we could add some parts with the Grafana. For Grafana, we need some data with numbers, basically. So maybe after that, this could be a funny part, I think.
I think too.
Yeah, and maybe
and I can't wait when we visualize everything. In the Grafana.
Yeah, and to be honest, I think a great part could be if we in the future maybe could integrate with some other API. For example, I don't know, LinkedIn API or Instagram API. So I think that I'll work on this next month or next 2 months. So this could be great to have, because this is not a Twitter data dashboard, but this is a social API, social data dashboard. So you can show data about your socials. So this is the final goal. But this could take, I don't know, months, 6 months, 1 year, I don't know. But
we have time.
But I think we are showing that by just coding 1 hour per week with a friend, we can really go far. I'm super happy with what I'm doing. Also, what we have done. So I'm super happy, Stefan.
Me too. And I can't wait to get on the next live stream with you. And I think we can end it here.
I can't remember. Maybe it was this Rika. There was someone who suggested to add this TypeScript feature. So last we did it. So I'm super happy about this.
Tick in the box.
Yeah, great. Thank you for suggestions, for feedbacks, because this also is useful for us that we are working on this. So we have also, let me show just 1 minute.
I got
this one. Let me just make a little bit bigger. Oh, those are our faces. Do you like this? I got this picture at a wedding. So
I still remember your first avatar on Twitter with the one with the glasses.
But I still have glasses. I don't. They are too far now. Usually. Okay. So import tweets, choose model, change the core part, and not the node. So we have still work to do, Stefan. But for today we have done a lot. So yeah. So see you next Saturday. I don't know if you can. Always at this time.
I think I can. Let's see.
Yeah, and also just last thing that on Monday there will be a new lockdown in Italy, sadly. So
oh no.
Yeah.
All right.
We will be in red zone. So I think that I'll code more. And that's it. So this is the good for being a developer, that when there is a lockdown you can code more.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, because this is possible for you because you are watching. Super happy about that. Thank you.
Me too.
Thank you so much. Bye bye everyone.